The beluga whale is an incredibly sociable and intelligent mammal that inhabits the Arctic and subarctic regions of the ocean. These whales usually grow 13 to 16.5 feet long. Beluga whales travel in groups called pods of around 2 to 10 individuals. Belugas have a muscular, all-white body and a rounded head. They are covered with a thick layer of blubber that can account for as much as 40% of their body mass. The fat keeps them warm and stores energy. Their average weight is 3,000 pounds. Unlike other whales, they are able to move their head up and down and side to side. They are sometimes called canaries of the sea because belugas are a very vocal group. They produce a variety of sounds to communicate while they migrate, hunt, and interact together. They can also communicate using facial expressions. Arctic cod is the main food choice of many populations, along with other fish and invertebrates like octopus and crab. The flexible melon on their head is used for echolocation. With the help of echolocation, belugas are capable of working together to herd fish into shallow water for consumption. Mating takes place in the spring, with a gestation period of 14 to 15 months. After this time, a single calf is born. Calves will nurse for 12 to 18 months until their teeth emerge. They will continue to nurse another year while supplementing their diet with shrimp and small fish. Calves are dark at birth and already over 100 pounds and 5 feet long. They become lighter in color as they age. It can take juveniles 9 years to become completely white. Their estimated lifespan is 35 to 50 years. Each summer, beluga whales will molt by shedding their outer layer of skin. Some beluga populations will migrate between summer and winter sites in order to avoid the ice freeze-up. Other populations remain in the same location year-round. Beluga whales are able to dive to depths of 2,600 feet for as long as 25 minutes before coming up for air, but they are generally found in shallow coastal waters. Sometimes they will even venture up estuaries. Polar bears and killer whales are their known predators. Centuries of hunting have severely lowered their Arctic populations. Today, belugas are still hunted for consumption by some Inuit and Alaskan native groups. They are also threatened by pollution and shipping traffic.